Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show you how to reset created pin in Messenger. So first of all, open your Messenger apps. Before start the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more update. So let's get started. Click on to three line at the left corner. Click on to setting icon at the top right corner. Scroll down. Go to privacy and safety. Click on this. Tap on. And now shown here to this option reset pin. Simply click on. And here you can easily reset created pin in Messenger. Okay, now done. So that's how we can easily reset created pin in Messenger. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial channel for more videos.